Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Okay, so for Ethereum, we kind of have a possible wave 1, and we do have a pullback here. We have a 3-wave pullback, an A, a B, and a C. So this could be completed, but also I want to mention that, let me double check here. I just changed it because yesterday when I did my video, I was saying this could be the A, this is the B, and I actually put, yesterday I put the C here, right? But because, I mean, this correction could be completed, almost reach the 0.5 fib retracement, that's great. But now I can also, as a worst case scenario, not sure I should say worst case scenario, but even it would be also very healthy. And so we do have 3-wave down. This could be just the A, and this counter movement A, B, C would be the B, and now we would be working into the C. How can I know which one is which? Well, pretty much easy. I'm going to put a trend line here. If we make a new lower low, local lower low, then let me put a color that we can see. If we go below this level, then chances are very high that we're going to reach the 0.618, 3,497.36, or somewhere near there. Also because we do have quite of a level here. At this level, we have a lot of support resistance previously. So that could help. And I think that's pretty much all that I wanted to share with Ethereum. Just want to make a short video, just have a follow-up. So if I'm comparing, so if I do the A to C 1-to-1 ratio, well, we would go a little bit below the 0.618, and you can see that Ethereum has a much stronger chart because it just reached the 0.5 fib retracement. And where is, I didn't even label it. Maybe let me do that now. Okay, so this in, was it July? August the 2nd could be, the 4th wave. Once again, very strong because it didn't even reach the 0.32. That's for the bigger wave count. And now this is a possible 1-2 setting. So this is a possible 1. Now we're working into the 2. And then we're going to make a 3, a 4, and a 5. When I see the price is really moving and to the upside, then I can calculate a target for the 3rd wave. Let me change the count now, maybe. Okay, and is there something else I wanted to add? Yeah, just to compare quickly. Don't have any stats. Oh, there you go. Okay, so once again, this is Ethereum, and we just reached the 0.5 fib retracement, and this is Bitcoin. Don't know why it shrink like that. You can see that we went at the limit of where a wave 2 can go, and now trying to react. No, I did the trend here, don't even remember why. I think it's it did move a little bit, maybe. Should be maybe like so. Touch, and so we have 2 touching points, we have a 3rd here, 4th, and you can see now price is kind of challenging this downtrend. If we can break, would be great. And once again, we do have we have a movement that it's hard to count. Even on the 1 hour is not very well structured. Would have been perfect. Like I'm repeating myself, I did say that in my previous video yesterday. If this was a 1, 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5 would be great, but here it's not what we're having. Anyway, so I can count this as a possible wave 1, wave 2, a little bit messy. I can though count 5 waves, so this is start to be a little bit problematic in my opinion, because now if this is 5 wave down and this is 3 wave up, we must do 5-way up, because otherwise it implies that we're going to go lower again, because 5-wave down, 3-way up, and 5-wave down. Okay, so let's be careful on that. On the RSI, you can see, I'm going to go on the 4 hours though. We're taking a rest. Stock RSI is almost resetted, soon entering into the oversold, so that's great. And yeah, RSI need to recharge, and after we can focus on this possible third wave that might come soon. Now today it's Wednesday, so possibly, very possible, that maybe, I don't know, we're going to have a nice explosive Friday. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!